Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do some sketchbook art today, sketching some animals and birds, basically dead birds. So sorry. Yeah, anyway, so I'll be sketching and it's gonna be a very slow process, and I'll be showing you entire process of sketching, how long it takes. It actually took more than 2 hours to sketch both the sketches, but I have cut short it and put it in a video format. Please let me know if you'd like to see this kind of content, and do support me by subscribing to the channel and also clicking the like button. And another thing is, let us take up a challenge of filling at least one sketchbook in this month. I have taken up the challenge of filling 2 sketchbooks, and let us see if I would be able to record all of the pages. And if I did, then I will put up more videos like this. Another thing is that I'm all sweaty. It's all because of the weather here. It's really hot and electricity is not there. So whenever it's gonna come, and then we're gonna start working on some of these sketches. So I'll see you on the other side. Bye bye. It is early morning here and I am going to sketch today. I decided on doing a sketchbook session today. I just did not feel like going outside and paint outdoors. So I thought that it'll be a good idea to fill up my sketchbook. So I start with a buffalo sketch. I went for a morning walk today and I saw a buffalo, being all lazy and into a mud podge, where water is filled, and she was just sitting there and enjoying, because it's really hot here in India, or maybe in my village, I don't know. When it rains, the water fills up on the ground, and which is beneficial for all these animals. I will be meticulously, sketching all the details on this sketch. And it is not a very quick sketching session. I spent a lot of time on building up the layers in this buffalo sketch, and I wanted to show her in water, and I wanted to show her, being all lazy and enjoying in water. Again, these buffaloes will be putting some mud on their bodies. I don't know why they do that. Maybe for cooling their bodies a lot, right? Because it's hot. I really loved the way she was sitting and the angle of light falling on her face. It was early morning and the light was really, really soft. While sketching, there is this urge to put on the colors onto the buffalo. So maybe next time what I'll do is I'll sketch something and put some color on it. It's really nice here. As you can see, a lot of bird species, or a lot of animals, and a lot of reptiles. I would say frogs and small insects, which interests me a lot. So do they interest you also? So comment down in the comment section, okay guys? So what I'll do is I'll leave you with some music so that you can enjoy and sketch with me today, and we're gonna have a good time. I'll see you on the other side.
Okay, so I have finished the sketch of this beautiful lady. She was enjoying in water. What I do finally is I put up a spray onto the sketch so that it doesn't smudges at the end. So I really hate that. So I especially went far away from my village to buy this fixative, which I think was really important for me as I will be doing a lot of sketches. And now, next thing is that I started doing another sketch in my brown sketchbook, which looks like a vintage sketchbook. Whenever I'm putting something on it, it looks like some old films scene. It is really nice to see sketches coming out of this brown color page. So, what I'm sketching today here in this sketchbook is dead birds. I'm sorry. I think they have this certain beauty. I think they are really gorgeous. Like, birds are gorgeous anyway, even when they are dead. I remember one artist talking about her inspiration, and she was telling that death inspires her because after death she cannot create anything. Nothing will inspire her after death, obviously, because she will not be there, right? So that was another thing which opened my eyes, and I never could ever forget that what she said. Whenever someone talks about inspiration to me, my answer is always the same, like her. I am also inspired by death because death will put a full stop on everything which I could do while I'm alive. I don't want to not be able to put out the work which I always want to put out. I had this dream of coming to my village and studying all these birds, animals, and doing some videos here, which I'm doing because why not now? I have a great life in town. My family is there. We have all kind of facilities in the town. I could work there, earn a lot of money there, but I decided on leaving everything
at that place and coming here just to give a chance to my artwork, just to give a chance to art, and my life. It'll be very, very nice if you could just watch my videos and share it with your friends so that they can also watch it. Another way of supporting me is buying some of my sketches. Now, these two sketches will be available. You can frame them, or if you want, I would get a frame for you and I could frame it and give it to you. You can buy from me, and it'll be really helpful for me to continue this journey in my village, especially because I'm gonna stay here for a longer time and I want to work more and more on a lot of things. Oh, and one more thing was that these little kids from the village, they really like me, and they'll be picking up flowers, stones, and they'll be giving it to me every day. So it's really interesting to see, what they'll get the next day. They'll always get something or the other for me. 2 days back, they got some guava, and a few days back, mangoes and other stuff. So they're really sweet people, and I feel overwhelmed by their, gesture. So this is another sketch, dead birds. And then what the thing was happening, that when once I saw this sketch being done, the first bird, I saw a lot of space, empty space on the page, which I did not like. I decided on doing a flower there, but then I thought that okay, I'll put another dead bird, just to remind me of death twice. Anyways, I'll put some music, and again, you can enjoy the sketch, and I'll get back to you once I'm done with this one. Alright, guys, so these are the two sketches I have done today, and I really, really enjoyed making them. Comment down below in the comment section if you would like to see more sketching sessions like this, and I will make more videos because I have another like 4 sketchbooks to fill up, so I can do a lot of sketches. You can support me on Patreon because I'm gonna put this video on Patreon with lot of technical details on sketching if you would like. Or if not, then just comment down below. I'll make another video, talking about the details of sketching. I mean, what I do and what I think about sketching. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're sharing this video also with your friends, right? Go now and share it, okay? I'm waiting for you. Okay. Thank you for sharing this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for clicking on the like button. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Do let me know if you're gonna take up this art challenge of filling at least one sketchbook in this month, which is August, which is starting from tomorrow, from the date of publishing this video. And yeah, let us fill this entire sketchbook and make our art even more better. So comment down below if you are up for the challenge, and do share me your images and your videos on my Instagram, or just directly email me.